open with upbeat music and a colorful animation of the channel logo, Buy Smart. Hey there, savvy shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions without breaking the bank. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. Yes, that's right, the unsung heroes of your gaming rig that keep your components running like a well-oiled machine. On the left, we have the Segotep 750W power supply, a solid choice for those who want all the power without the drama. And on the right, we have the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA 31050W, which sounds like a superhero, but is actually just a power supply with a lot of watts. So let's get ready to rumble, and may the best PSU win. First up, the price. The Segotep 750W is priced at a wallet-friendly $99, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious users. Reviewers have praised its reliability and performance, making it a preferred choice for PC builders. Meanwhile, the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA3 is strutting in at $169. While it's pricier, it offers 300 more watts, which some users feel justifies the cost, especially for more demanding builds. However, some reviewers have expressed regret over the purchase due to reliability issues, which makes this price point a bit of a gamble. Next, let's talk about power efficiency. The Segotep boasts an 80+ gold certification with an impressive 91.8% efficiency at typical load. Reviewers have noted that it helps reduce heat and offers great savings, making it a solid choice for efficient builds. On the other hand, the Toughpower GFA3 also flaunts its 80+ gold certification and promises full compatibility with Intel ATX 3.0 standards. While both are efficient, some users have reported issues with stability under load, which might affect overall performance. Now, let's get modular. The Segotep features a fully modular cable design, allowing you to use only the cables you need, which many users appreciate for cable management. However, a few reviewers mentioned the non-sleeved cables could be a drawback. The Toughpower GFA3 also has fully modular low-profile flat cables, making it easy to manage cables. Reviewers have noted that while the flat cables look neat, they can be a bit finicky during installation. Both options are great, but your preference may depend on your aesthetic taste. Alright, let's get into some serious business. Graphics card support. The Segotep comes with two PCI-E 4.0 ports for NVIDIA RTX 2030 series and AMD cards, plus one PCI-E 5.0 port for the big boys, the NVIDIA 4080-4070 Ti. Reviewers have reported it works well with high-performance setups without issues. Now, the Toughpower GFA3 promises full compatibility with the latest graphics cards and a high amperage single plus 12 volts rail. However, some users have reported problems with powering GPUs reliably, which could be a deal breaker for those with high-end cards. It's important to consider your specific setup. In summary, both power supplies have their strengths and weaknesses. The Segotep 750W is lauded for its affordability, efficiency, and reliability, making it a favorite among budget builders. However, the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA3, while pricier, offers more wattage and advanced features, but has faced criticism for reliability issues. Ultimately, your choice may depend on your specific needs and budget. So who's the winner? Well, it really depends on what you're after. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, the Segotep 750W is a great choice. But if you want to go all out with more wattage and a bit of a pricier tag, the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA3 might just be your best bet. Remember folks, you don't always need the biggest power supply. You just need one that fits your needs. And that's what we're here for. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below about which power supply you'd choose. Until next time, power up smartly and always buy smart.